I'm Chris Breeden, and welcome to Custom and Hot Rod Life. We are deep into work on our Project 64 Mercury Comet. Last time we cleaned up the frame rails in preparation for our new Street Rod Engineering Mustang II IFS kit with welded cross member. Today we are finally going to install that cross member along with new spring and shock tower uppers. So sit back and enjoy the process at 400 times speed. Well, there you go, a week's worth of work in a couple of minutes. If it was only this simple in real life. We can now turn to making new engine mounts and installing a new steering column and steering linkage. Stay tuned for updates on our 64 Merc and keep on cruising.